A giant Toblerone at a party? And caramels of any size in the kitchen? Our new video has sweets for any situation. Storm clouds are gathering in the sky, but Cindy can have fun no matter the weather. Dolly isn't happy with this forecast. She's not compatible with rain at all, and her umbrella's broken too. Dolly isn't happy even when her friend promises a rainbow after rain. To cheer her friend up again, Cindy brings out some rainbow candies. Divide Starburst candies into 4 parts. Cut the wrappers in half and seal the mini candies back up. Make a mini package and place the candies inside. Dolly's expression is so stormy that she might start thundering soon. Not even candies cheer her up. But finally, she agrees to try the tiny Starburst. Yay! It worked! The candies lifted my friend's spirits. Cindy is an experienced sweet tooth. Dolly decides to teach her a lesson. She tells her a scary story about a giant bounty. Once upon a sweet time, there was a carbohydrate conjurer. One day, he created a giant bounty that had 1,001 calories. This mega bounty attacked sweet tooths at night and force-fed them carbs. They begged for mercy, but the coconut filling never gave up. And now this bounty has come to our home. Run for your life, Cindy! Add 3 ounces of butter to 1 2/3 cups of warm cream and 8 spoons of sugar. Take it off the heat before it boils. Pour the mixture into 13 ounces of shredded coconut. Mix it and place it into a fridge for an hour. Form a column out of the chilled mixture. Coat it with melted chocolate on all sides. Use a skewer to make the distinctive chocolate ripples. Let it cool. Cover thick white paper with clear tape. Attach a Bounty logo to the other side. Seal the wrapper. Place the cooled candy column inside. Close the wrapper and shape the edges. Dolly quickly takes care of the opponent. Turns out the Mega Bounty isn't so scary after all. It didn't mean to frighten anyone. This is the start of a bountiful friendship. But the 1,001 calories is definitely true, so Cindy better not eat the whole candy in one go. Samantha throws a pajama party. She already checked out a ton of ideas online. All that's left is to wait for her friend to show up. And here she is! But she brought a +1, a giant Toblerone bar. Mix 13 ounces of sugar, 1 2/3 cup corn syrup, and 2 spoons of honey, and boil them. Keep it at a rolling boil for 5 minutes. While the mixture boils, whip 2 egg whites into thick, fluffy foam. Now beat the hot, sweet mixture into the egg whites. Add flaked almonds and mix thoroughly. Pour the mixture onto parchment paper and put more parchment paper on top. Smooth it out and let it cool. Cut the nougat into small pieces once it's ready. Cover it with powdered sugar so the pieces don't stick together. Cut 3 strips out of cardboard, 2 inches wide and 4.5 inches long. Glue them into a triangle shape. Put a parchment paper base inside and place the mold onto the parchment paper. Pour a little melted milk chocolate inside. Add nougat pieces. Make a few layers. Put it into a refrigerator so that the chocolate sets. Take the paper backing off a finished Toblerone piece and make a few pieces like that. Spread them out in a row on parchment paper. Fold up the edges. Strengthen the walls with a cardboard strip. Secure it with tape and pour melted chocolate into the empty spaces. Let it cool. Cut a pattern for a triangular package out of thick yellow paper. Bend it and glue on a printed Toblerone label. Glue the package together, wrap the chocolate in tinfoil, and place it inside. This huge Toblerone is the hottest guest at any party. Just one piece will feed everyone who's there. Just be sure you don't eat too much chocolate and get sick. And now is the perfect time to burn calories with red-hot dances. Pump up the music, hit the lights. All this sugar and calories just won't do. Welcome to the Nighttime Couch Club. The girls are playing rock, paper, scissors. The loser has to eat a jelly bean. Ah, that's such a dangerous game. There are some really weird flavors out there. Cindy has bad luck and keeps losing. But she comes up with a clever solution, switching the candies out for a mini version. Cut bean shapes out of gummy bears. Mix powdered sugar with water. Dunk the jelly beans into the syrup and let them dry on parchment paper. Laminate a printed out label with clear tape on the printed side. Wet the reverse side with water. And rub off the paper in the center. Glue the packaging together. Place the jelly beans inside. Now, instead of having to chow down on candies with mysterious flavors, the girls try sweet, tiny jelly beans. An excellent replacement. The best part is, it's a win-win situation. The pajama party is going great. Even the pillows are having a good time. In the feathers raining down, the friends find a petite Toblerone. I wonder how it got here. Use a ruler to mark the correct height to cut the tops off a Toblerone bar. Break the bar apart. Dip a knife into hot water, dry it, and cut off the tops. Pour melted chocolate in an even layer on tin foil. And place the triangle-shaped tops into a mini Toblerone shape. Connect the triangles with more chocolate and place it into a fridge. Fold and glue a mini package. Wrap the chocolate in foil and place it into the package. This teeny tiny candy is such a sweet treat. This mini Toblerone must be a gift from some nighttime fairies. This is exactly what our pajama party needed. Cindy gets food cravings at night. While everyone at home is asleep, she searches for yummies like a professional sleuth. Yay! Someone left candies here. A regular-sized box seems too small to Cindy. Using nighttime magic, she turns the candy into a giant toffee. Melt toffee candies in a microwave. Coat a round mold with vegetable oil. Pour the melted candies inside and spread them around the walls of the mold. Let it cool. Crush up hazelnuts. Melt some toffee candies until they are the consistency of caramel. Add the hazelnuts and mix. Put the resulting mixture into 2 small glass bowls. Connect the halves and wrap the nut sphere in plastic food wrap. Add a little milk into the melted chocolate. Put part of the chocolate mixture into the cooled down toffee mold. Place the hazelnut ball inside and add the rest of the chocolate mixture. Pour the melted chocolate on top. Knock the base against a table so the chocolate distributes evenly. Now that's more like it! You can't conquer this candy with a fork and a knife. You'll have to use your teeth. Delicious! Why do candies seem even sweeter at night? But Samantha is watching out for her friend's diet. She won't let her swallow quite that many calories at once and quickly makes the candy smaller. Coat an empty blister pack with gold paint. Melt a toffee candy in the microwave. Flatten it. Fill the whole blister pack with toffees. Pour milk in with chocolate and melt it in a double boiler. Crumble up hazelnuts. Place a piece of hazelnut in each hollow. Pour the chocolate milk mixture on top and cover the filling with melted chocolate. Glue a mini toffee label onto a matchbox. Put the candies inside. Now Cindy's figure is saved. The mini toffee are no worse than their larger versions. And just to keep her friend from temptation, Samantha will eat the giant toffee herself. Did you like our sweet ideas? Then write in the comments what ideas you'll try out at a pajama party with friends.
Do it! Prank wars, beauty hacks, magic tricks, we got your back. Tips, bring it in. You'll never be bored again. Slime, DIY, always a new surprise. The channel that will blow your mind.